Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal, and today I want to talk about how index funds are a game changer in low cost financial planning. Now, over the years, since I've maintained a list of the SEBI registered fee only financial advisors, people have told me that at least some of the members in that list or in the larger list available in fee only India, the fee is too high. The fee charged by some of the members is too high, and there are people who cannot afford such a high fee. And what are the options for them? I mean, should they? Some of them have even said that regular funds or regular plan mutual funds are a better option for people who cannot afford fee only financial planning. It is true that for some people in the fee only India list or my list, the charges are could be high for many people, but that doesn't mean that they have to choose regular funds or go via a distributor. They don't need to go into that trap of conflict of interest and commissions. There are options, and I've been thinking about what is the solution, and I realized that of course index funds are the simplest solution. The reason for that is index funds take away the problem of choosing the best fund, because these distributors keep saying only they can select the right fund and investors will not do it and so on. That's not true. You can simply choose an index fund and the problem of choosing the best fund goes away. Of course, some people keep asking for best index funds and so on. That will never die down. But largely, once the idea of passive investing becomes properly understood, then that automatically emerges as a low cost financial planning option. See, for young earners, people who are less than 30, who have not messed up their life and who have not bought too many products, who have not done too many mistakes, they don't really need a financial planner. They can simply choose index funds and get started with some asset allocation of 40% or 50% equity, and then they can learn on the fly. They have the time. What is more important is to start investing and continue investing. Once they do that, they can learn on the fly, or they can consult a SEBI registered financial advisor, fee only advisor, after they have enough money. It's not like they're not going to have enough money or they're not going to afford the advisors forever. So in that sense, I feel that index funds are a game changer. Also, not all fee only advisors charge a very hefty fee. If you go to the fee only list, you will be able to see people like Devender Negi, who charges 1,000 rupees per month plan for millennials, or a 2,000 rupees a month plan. There are different services offered. Then there is Upasana Mandal, who offers 5,000 rupee plan. Then there are also many others who charge 12,000 rupees for a leaner financial plan, 12,000 rupees a year, and from the second year it will come down because of it's only going to be a review and so on. That should be affordable by a lot more people. And so you have free options. I have a ebook called Reassemble. Many of you may have downloaded it. If you have not downloaded it, you can head over all the way to the footer of the page, and you should be able to see the free stuff here. You can see Plumbline, you can see the free books here, and you can also see the list of fee only financial planners here. So you can download Reassemble. That tells you step-by-step guide of how to set up your emergency fund, insurance, etc. And as for asset allocation, a simple index fund is all that is needed to get started. And I have earlier published an audit by Avdut, who has a very nice clean portfolio based on only index funds, and you can take inspiration from him and do it. So it's not the end of the world. You don't need to get into conflict of advice, conflict of interest, and you don't need to get into regular plans just because you cannot afford a fee only advisor. There are plenty of options available even within the fee only community, and for those who don't have a cluttered financial plan, you can definitely choose the index route. And also, even for those who have a cluttered plan, for a fee only advisor charging you 1/3 of your monthly income or one half of your monthly income, that is not very expensive. That's actually worth the investment, because they're going to set right your financial plan and put you on the right direction, and over the years that will just pay back multiple times. So please explore those. Bye bye.